We've finally found the solution for a slow draining sink. It is the Drano, but the granular little particles. And the really cool thing about this one is that it attacks grease and food particles. It will just clean up your sink, your pipes, and you don't need to use the whole actual bottle, which is really cool. So open it up. All you need to do is 1 tablespoon, just like that. And then hot water. So I have my hot water right here. I'm going to pour that right in there. Of course, careful, maybe stand back, let it do its thing for 15 minutes. It does have a little bit of a chemical smell at first, but once that hot water hits it, it will kind of just flush down. Leave it for 15 minutes, come back to it, and then run the water for about 2-3 minutes. Cold water will do. And then your pipes are brand new again. No more grease particles, no more of that slow draining. And you can use it, you know, we usually use it once a month, just because it does have some, we do have a buildup in there, but it works every single time, and we don't need to go even harder in terms of the chemicals. This is just simple enough, just strong enough for the kind of use that we need on a regular basis. Big fans of the Drano kitchen granules.